Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to schedule email in Gmail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using your Gmail app on Android or iOS, all you gotta do is simply open the app itself. Now tap on the compose button and here you need to simply type in the mail of person you want to send mail to. So after this, now you need to simply type in the subject and compose an email. Once you have done this, you need to simply tap on and hold this three dots option. Simply tap on it and there you can find the option called schedule send. Here you can simply schedule the mail like tomorrow morning, afternoon, Monday morning, or pick any date and time according to your preference. Once this is done, you need to tap on schedule send option and now you can be relaxed because this email will be sent through Gmail on the scheduled date. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.